New details in the ongoing investigation into President Joe Biden's son. Federal prosecutors announcing that the plea deal between Hunter Biden and the Delaware U.S. Attorney's Office is at an impasse. Today, Attorney General Merrick Garland elevating the U.S. Attorney's handling of the case to a special counsel. ABC's Tim Pulliam has more details on this new development.
Prosecutors and Hunter Biden now appear headed to trial. The U.S. Attorney's Office in Delaware says they and Hunter Biden's team are in an impasse after failing to reach an agreement on the terms of a plea deal that had been reached on the misdemeanor tax charges he is facing and a diversion agreement related to a potential felony gun charge. Friday, Attorney General Merrick Garland appointing Delaware U.S. Attorney David Weiss as special counsel over the investigation of President Joe Biden's youngest son, which he was already leading.
This appointment confirms my commitment to provide Mr. Weiss all the resources he requests. It also reaffirms that Mr. Weiss has the authority he needs to conduct a thorough investigation.
Weiss, appointed by Donald Trump, will also decide where, when, and whether to file charges, according to Garland. In court filings, prosecutors wrote they plan to move those gun and tax charges against Biden from Delaware and bring them to California and Washington, D.C., where prosecutors say the alleged misconduct occurred. Hunter Biden's legal team releasing a statement that reads in part, "For years, both Mr. Weiss and the department have assured us and the public that Mr. Weiss had more authority than a special counsel and full authority to negotiate a resolution of his investigation, which has been done. Whether in Delaware, Washington, D.C., or anywhere else, we expect a fair resolution, not infected by politics."
I think it's about time that we saw the appointment of a special counsel to get to the bottom of not only what Hunter Biden was doing, what the Biden family was doing. The American people deserve answers, and I welcome the appointment.
Some Republicans on Capitol Hill not happy with Weiss being appointed special counsel. A spokesperson for House Judiciary Committee Chairman Jim Jordan writing, "David Weiss can't be trusted, and this is just a new way to whitewash the Biden family's corruption." Now, the White House, as they have consistently done, are not commenting on this new development in the Hunter Biden case. Now, the judge overseeing the case gave Hunter Biden's legal team until Monday to respond to the Justice Department's motion to dismiss the current charges, leading the way for them to be brought in other states. Tim Pulliam, ABC News, Los Angeles.